Hello, I'm going to ask you 30 questions. All these questions are very advanced and very important. If you want to answer, I can start. So, can I start?
Sure, you can. I feel very pleasure and delighted to be a part of it, and I'm eagerly waiting to answer all of the upcoming questions.
All right. So, I'll start with your name. What's your name?
So, my name is Tamima Chaudhry. You can call me Tamima. Its meaning is perfect, though I believe that nobody is perfect, but I will try to hold one into my personality.
It is a beautiful name. All right. Where are you from?
So, I'm from Cox's Bazar, a place which is full of tranquility and peace, and it has very harmonious environment, and I belong from this place.
Yeah, that's true. So, can you describe your hometown?
So my hometown is in Chittagong. It's a hilly district and it's full of culture, heritage, and it has breathtaking landscapes. And I truly love my hometown.
Okay. What do you do?
So I just completed my SSC examination. So I'm currently doing nothing, but I'm trying to develop my own vocabularies from SpeakUp.
Great. Can you tell me about your family?
So I belong from a nuclear family. We have four members in total. I have an elder sibling. She's reading currently at DU Dhaka University, and my father is a journalist, and my mother is a housewife.
All right. So, what's your hobby?
I do have a various sorts of hobbies, and including those are dancing, writing poems. Then I have like reading books and reading any sort of fictional books as well.
Okay. What's your daily routine?
My daily routine is kind of basic yet productive, as I mentioned earlier, that I just concluded my SSC examination. So my daily routine starts by completing all of my daily course, and then I go to speak up and enhance my skills, and also I read books which broadens my intellectual horizon, and I call it a day by watching a movie.
All right. So, where do you study?
As I mentioned again, that I just completed my SSC examination, so I'm currently not in any sort of school, but I'm planning to study again at Ramu Cantonment English School and College, which fosters both intellectual and character.
All right. What's your favorite subject?
So I feel very discombobulated to answer this, and if I have to choose one, I would say that it's ICT and physics because ICT gives me the technological skills based knowledge, whereas physics let me know about the everyday phenomena which is happening around. So I feel like both are very logical in terms of acknowledging.
I thought that you'd say English, but
No, it's English is also a part of it.
okay. So, why did you choose to speak up?
Uh, I choose Pickup because Pickup is a very immaculate environment it has, and also it's very eco-friendly. And Russell sir, being a very generous and humble person, always tends me to come here again and again. And it also lets the backbenchers as well to get an opportunity to speak and to speak their heart out and learn English very easily.
Oh, thank you very much. So, what's your future goal?
Um, Again, I'm discombobulated to answer this because my future goal is I can't think of my future goal right now, but I'm on continuous learning. But I really want to have my own company and build my own business.
Okay. So, what kind of job would you like to do in future?
As I mentioned earlier, that I don't want to have a job, but I want to be my own boss because I feel like when you have your own perspectives and your own ideas, that for me that's a successful life for me. I would count that.
I appreciate that. So, how do you practice English?
That's very interesting question. I that has a backstory in it. I actually practice English by seeing flight attendant role play kind of videos, and also I stand in front of the mirror and I speak like uh, I'm being a lawyer and talking with the persons internationally and globally.
Interesting. So, what kind of music do you like?
I really like melodious and lofi kind of music because it's relatable with my emotions, and every time I feel sad or devastated, I go through this sort of songs.
Okay. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food. It's very interesting, honestly, because people would say it's pizza. Obviously not. For me, it's bhorta. It's a green mashed vegetable. It's a staple comfort food of Bangladesh. And whenever I take a bite of it, it has so much sort of burst of flavors and spices in it, and it makes me feel like to eat again and again.
All right, one day I'll try.
All right.
So, do you like to read books? And why not?
I really love to read books. Currently, I'm even reading one because I feel like reading books helps me a lot to broaden my intellectual horizon of knowledge, and also it shapes my personality. That's why I feel like reading books is very important for me.
So, back to back, there's a question. What type of movies do you enjoy?
I enjoy any sort of thriller kind of movies and mystery movies because I feel like the unpredictable storyline always gets me to see like, oh, what's happening, what's gonna happen next. So I really love thriller movies.
Okay. Do you like traveling?
I really love traveling because I have an adventure spirit in myself. I like to explore things and I like to visit. I really get homesick if I stay for a 1 week like continuously. So I really love traveling.
Got it. All right. What do you do usually on weekends?
So on weekends, I really like to spend most of my quality time with my friends and my families. And also, if I get the opportunity, I like to spend it with my cousins because they're like my heart and home.
So, here's the same question. How do you spend your free time?
Okay, so it's like basically similar to my weekends. As I said earlier as well, that I'm quite free now as my SSC has just concluded. So during my free time now, I'm currently engaging myself in learning new vocabs daily and also trying to help my mother in any sort of household works.
When do you do your homework?
That's quite there's no specific such sort of answer to it because I do my homework whenever I get this sufficient time, and I like to do my homework especially in mornings because I feel like morning time makes my brain really refreshed.
All right. Here's an interesting question. What is more important, money or books?
It would be honestly unfair to choose one over the other because money is an external source for us, and because of money we get the opportunity to buy even books, and on the other hand books enriches our knowledge, as I mentioned earlier as well, that it broadens our intellectual horizon. So I feel like to choose between one over the other, it would be unfair.
Okay. Do you like city or village?
Okay, so let's be practical. I'm gonna choose city because city is a place where we get all of the opportunities and facilities. Like we get all of the hospitals whenever we need, whenever we want, we can go there. But in village, we can't get all of the facilities, so it's quite difficult for us.
What do you think makes a good friend?
Okay, that's kind of complicated thing to answer because I never had very sort of big circle in my life. I always had small circles because we know that betrayal never comes from your enemies. So if I have to describe that what makes a good friend, I would say that a good friend is somebody who will choose sensibility and loyalty over convenience.
Who is your best friend?
All right. Now, I would like to say that I'm very glad and I feel very fortunate to tell that I do have a best friend in my life. Her name is Ryan, and also I have two friends as well. But I want to tag this to my mother right now because I feel like I'm getting more connected to my mother, and my mother is someone who is like my own chat GPT. Whenever I feel lost or whenever I feel like something is not going well, I just go through her.
Okay. Interesting. Can you describe a memorable day in your life?
A memorable day. Honestly, the last FIFA World Cup was my most memorable day because I feel like I always get emotional, and that whenever get the chance to spend quality time with my family, and it was a very memorable day for me because that day was full of laughter, chaos, and full of excitement.
Have you ever attended a special event?
Honestly speaking, I don't remember that sort of special event because I feel like every day is a special event for me. You exist, I get that opportunity to be alive. Alhamdulillah, Allah the Almighty has given me a life in this world. I feel like to be alive in this world is enough according to be in a special event.
Okay, tell me about your last holiday.
About my last holiday, it was quite like 2 weeks ago when me and my friends went to move on. That was like a dramatic, that was like a dramatic sort of day because it was like roller coaster. I can't tell actually. It's a secret.
Okay, tell me something about yourself.
Myself. Okay, as I mentioned that I'm Tamima Chaudhary, and about myself is that I am very eloquent and also I'm ambitious and I'm sort of empathetic person, but it's very narcissist to talk about yourself in front of cameras or like everybody. I don't feel that much confident, but I would like to say that I'm that sort of person is that whenever someone needs me, I always try to help them.
Okay, what do you know about Cox's Bazaar?
Cox Bazar is like my home. Though I belong from the Chittagong, Chittagong is my hometown, but Cox Bazar has an inseparable relationship with me because since like 15 years I have been living in this city, and Cox Bazar is famous for having the longest sea beach, and I feel very blessed and I feel very ecstatic that I get this opportunity to be a part of it. I can see the sea beach every day, and it's full of peace and tranquility, and it has also scenic beauty, and I love that.
Thank you very much.